well, here it is. I've got it out across the road. We've ventured 2 miles away from home. First time in almost 4 years. This is the spot I met the owner of the previous engine and the new owner of the engine. Both of them met here and took it for a little spin out through this empty field. They bought the engine, and that's what started the whole restoration project. I'm gonna do a little walk around because a lot of you haven't seen every bit. Here's the fans running. You can hardly hear them. Bump stops are aired up. It's soft, it rides really nice. Sounds good too. That exhaust is temporary. I found that on the side of the road. I don't know what else to say about it. I've been hanging around it too long. I know too much about it. Here's the rear frame notch and coil spring setup with the anti-rock system. Custom 20-gallon. I put 24 gallons in it, but at least 2 gallons came back out the next morning, so I'm going to call it a 20-gallon tank. Maybe it's a 22. Still got a long ways to go, but it's close. No burnouts yet. I'm sure it'll do it, but I may never know. Interior is nice and streamlined. You can see I'm sitting on my plasma cutter box. Got my Dakota digital gauges in there. Kenwood radio. Rocker panels, Atlas 4, transfer case, and 4500. I don't know, all sorts of things. Alright, there'll be more. I'm going to turn this thing off and go play.